Hi, I'm Wade Wingler with the Data Project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana, and here is your tech tip.
Hi, my name is Brian Norton, and I'm manager of the Clinical Assistive Technology Department here at Easter Seals Crossroads, and I'm excited to share with you something that I just realized was available to me. It may have been available for a little while, but it happens to be on my MacBook Pro. We're going to talk a little bit about Enhanced Dictation today. For a while now, Mac has been providing dictation on their computer, and just recently they allowed or have now begun to offer enhanced dictation. And what enhanced dictation means is you don't necessarily have to be connected to the internet anymore to be able to use it. Beforehand, when it initially came out, you had to actually be connected to the internet. What you would say was then sent out to the internet, transcribed for you, and then would appear on your paper. Now it happens locally on the computer. I'm excited to share that with you today, so let's take a look. So as we take a look at my MacBook today, I'm going to first of all bring us over to the system preferences because I want to show you where this is located. If you open up your system preferences and you come to dictation and speech, we'll go ahead and double click on that one. You're going to notice underneath here you can turn dictation on or off, but there's a new checkbox underneath there that says use enhanced dictation. And that basically, again, allows you to use dictation or recognize continuous dictation with live feedback while you're offline, while you're not connected to the internet. It is a fairly significant download, so give it time to download the additional components that it needs. But once it's installed, it does a fairly good job. We're going to jump back out here in a second to Microsoft Word and give you show you how that works. So one thing to notice or to realize about dictation and speech on the Mac is that it requires you to press a shortcut key to activate it. A lot of folks that we work with physical impairments have trouble getting access to the keyboard or mouse, and sometimes hitting the keystroke on here to be able to activate it and then hitting it again to get it to recognize it can be a bit of a challenge. So there are other dictation software packages that will allow you to activate and then deactivate the software by voice command. But what's located on the Mac is simply uses a keystroke to be able to activate that. So I'm going to go ahead and close out of dictation and speech. We're going to come back over here to my Microsoft Word document. I'm going to put my cursor in there. And the keystroke that I have selected to be able to activate it is the default one, and it's the FN key. If I hit the FN key twice, you're going to notice a little microphone pops up on my screen. And automatically, the Mac starts recognizing what I'm saying and will put the dictation in my text field or edit box on the computer. It does recognize voice commands as well. New paragraph, smiley face, frowny face, winky face, new paragraph. Roman numeral 324, new paragraph. The United States flag has 13 red and white stripes. It also has a blue field with 50 white stars, period. Notice that now the microphone has gone away. I hit my FN key again to get it to stop recognizing speech. Again, the interface with the keyboard is important here. Another thing that's important to realize about dictation and speech, although it's really great at putting and recognizing your speech, it's really only a text entry type of program. It lacks a lot of the advanced controls and functionality that some of the dedicated speech recognition software like Dragon Naturally Speaking or Dragon for Mac would have to be able to get to do corrections and to edit the text once it's been recognized. So that is your tech tip for today. Again, my name is Brian Norton, Manager of Clinical Assistive Technology at Easter Seals Crossroads, and I'm happy to share this with you.
So that was your tech tip for this week. I'm Wade Wingler with the Indata Project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana.